Today's a very special day. I guess I'm starting to see a trend with the Denali trucks. That's just about all I post on my channel anymore, but geez, I'm glad it's not Ford Rangers. Look at this truck. This thing's perfect. It's a 2024 Denali Ultimate HD 2500 with the Duramax in it. Has the Vader chrome front grille on it. This is only on the Ultimates. They don't do this on anything else. The regular Denalis have chrome. It's for a guy named Troy. Throw his company in there for a little advertisement shout out. It's A&S Paving. I believe they're local here to McDonough, or close by at least a little bit. This truck's going to be getting the McGaughys lift kit fully upgraded with the upper control arms, the traction bars in the rear. It's going to get some 24x14 KG1 forged heathen wheels in black. And also it's getting Nitto trail grapplers. Now, Nittos, they only make up to 24-inch wheels for, or tires for, you know, the 24-inch wheels. You can't get 26s in Nittos yet, so you can get them in the Furies. But Nitto's a better tire, I'll be honest. I love Fury. I have them on everything because I have big wheels, but if you can get a Nitto on a truck, it really rides like a factory tire, and it's really smooth, long lasting, quiet, all that. So today he's getting 37-inch trail grapplers on this and a couple other goodies, but super excited about the build, super excited about this one, and I hope you are too. Well, this sucks, but sometimes it happens. These wheels were ordered for a 2024 GMC Denali. See back there? Something happened in the machine shop and they were sent out the wrong bolt pattern. It's for a Dodge. This is a huge issue for me. These wheels take about 2 to 3 weeks to get anyways. So something is about to change on this build. I've got a couple different sets of wheels inside that I could probably swap these out for, but I haven't gotten a hold of the customer yet, so I'll let you know what happens when it happens, but this set of wheels will not be going on this truck today. So the solution has been met. We're going to do the 26x14 JTX silencers that we have in the office on display and not go with the 24s at all. We won't be using Nitto tires, we'll be using Fury tires because they make the best ones in 26s. Now that we have the issues resolved with the wheel fitment problems, the customer also asked me while we were on the phone if we could upgrade to some wheel lights and rock lights. So we have a set of 24 watt infinite off-road rock lights right here. These are the brightest ones that I care to sell with a good warranty on the market right now. And then we're also doing the 18-inch quad row wheel lights. They are RGBW, which means you can do the colors or you can do all white. We are gonna bypass the color on these to just make them all white. Some of the older guys don't like the colors like that, but this one ought to look really, really nice now. Which wheel do you think looks better? The 24x14 KG1 Heathen, 26x14 JTX Silencer? Let me know in the comments. Well, she's almost done. All we have left now to do is a little bit more trimming on the truck and the alignment. Then what we do is we do a retorque on the lift kit immediately once it's finished, and we drive it for about 30 minutes, 30 miles, something like that up the street, let everything settle. we bring it back and retorque it again and do one more final test drive. Most of these customers are from out of state. This guy is a local. He's from Lithonia. ANS Paving is his company, so if you need any paving done out that area, give him a call. This one's going to be beautiful though. I think he's going to be using this truck to do his quotes and things like that, drive it every day for work. So just one more time to prove that this is definitely something you can daily drive after. 26x14 JTX silencers in the black and milled finish. We've got the 37 1450 26 Fury MT. Always a good pair with a 14 wide because it doesn't stretch too bad. Everything looks really nice on it. You can still drive it over curbs and stuff if you hit it right with the angles without scratching your wheel. Did the McGaughys traction bars. They don't have the face plates on these yet. It will have the same thing like the front strut tensioners in there. Like I said, a couple little things left on it we have to do, but it's almost done. Another build we're doing today, this is a 2018 F-150. Yes, it's the XLT model, but you can still lift them just the same. This one's getting a 7-inch ready lift with some 26x14 Artem Curvis wheels. Stay tuned for this one. Got another build we're finishing up today, 2018 Ford F-150. This is the obviously the XL work truck edition. I might catch some whatever comments from that, but I think it looks really nice. It is a 4-wheel drive. It does have a 5.0 in it, so I'm more of a Chevy guy, so the 5.0 doesn't mean a whole bunch to me, but everybody else with Ford seems to think it's a really good motor. So 7-inch ready lift right here allowed us to put on 35 1350 26 on a 26x14. The wheel is the Artem Curvis. It's gloss black. It's good entry-level price wheel. It's not forged, it's a cast aluminum wheel, so it's priced right, maybe $500 to $600 a wheel. And the 35 1350 26 Fury looks really nice. Has a little bit of a stretch to it, which, you know, kind of appealing. This one was here for about 2 days. Can be in and out, ready to go back to the customer. Oh, my camera's dirty.
Show everything but the doors.
I had to put him on camera for a minute. This is my buddy Thomas, that H2 on YouTube. He's got a, what year is that?
2003.
2003 Hummer. It's like first in the world for like 5 or 6 different things, but the biggest thing is the McGaughys kit on the front. McGaughys does not make a Hummer kit. We had to completely, he had to completely customize the kit to make it fit the Hummer. It's also the only one I know of that's switchable from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. He can he put a transfer case in it out of a Chevy 2500. And the biggest new thing he has done, and it's still
it's not done yet, so you can't judge.
a big work in progress.
Like 90%.
The dash out of a 2018 GMC, is that right?
Yeah, or GMC or Silverado, they're the same dash.
Wow. In a Hummer, H2. Give it a new updated look. Definitely, I like it better than the old one. It's really cool.
Like I said, it's not fully done, but it's, it's getting there.